How to get a mortgage loan in Florida. These are the steps for you to secure financing. Number 1, financial preparation. Your credit score should be close to 620. FHA will allow as low as 580. Stable income. Lenders might require 2 years of consistent income, W-2 or self-employed. Debt to income, DTI, should not exceed 43% of gross monthly income. Savings, at least 6 to 8% of the home price for down payment and closing costs. Number 2, pre-approval. It will be good for you to apply with a lender and get a pre-approval. Documents needed for a pre-approval are the last 2 years of tax returns, pay stub or income proof, 2 or 3 months of bank statements, an ID and social security number or ITIN number. Lender will issue a pre-approval letter showing your purchase power. Number 3, house hunting. Work with an experienced realtor to find a property within your approved price range. Also, offer with pre-approval letters are taken seriously in today's market. Number 4, formal loan application. After your offer is accepted, a lender will order an appraisal to confirm the property value. At that point, you could schedule a home inspection to verify conditions and potentially lower insurance. And then the loan will go through underwriting for final approval. Number 5, common loan programs. We have the conventional loan with 3 to 20% down, a little bit higher credit requirements. FHA, 3.5% down, more flexible for lower credit. VA could be done with 0% down for eligible veterans. USDA, 0% down, only in designated rural areas. ITIN loan, it will require 10 to 25% down. The interest rate is higher, but you have the options for non-Social Security buyers to purchase property. Number 6, closing. Sign final loan docs, pay down payment, closing cost deed is recorded, and you get the keys. In conclusion, with a 580 credit, steadily income, and 6 to 8% savings of the purchase price, you could buy a property in Florida.